December 30th. A strong Arctic air mass remains entrenched across much of the country following a powerful winter storm, driving snow, wind, and cold impacts from the Midwest into the Northeast. While the Southeast operates under dry but sharply cooler conditions, crews should focus attention on northern tier hubs with lingering snow and visibility issues, and on widespread cold-driven operational constraints farther south. Across the Midwest, Great Lakes, and interior Northeast, the departing storm system continues to influence operations through lake effect snow bands, blowing snow and gusty surface winds, low visibilities and intermittent IFR to LIFR conditions persist in heavier snow showers, especially downwind of the Great Lakes, where steep low-level lapse rates and cold air over warm lake waters sustain convective snow. Major hubs including Chicago, Detroit, Buffalo, and portions of the New York Metro remain susceptible to runway contamination, variable approach minima, and extended desync cycles. Strong northerly flow continues to produce drifting snow and surface wind challenges, impacting taxi and ramp efficiency. Farther south through the Ohio Valley and central Appalachians, colder than normal temperatures dominate with residual snow cover and icy patches where melting refroze overnight. While precipitation is more limited here, sub-freezing surfaces and gusty winds still present ground handling and braking concerns, particularly during early operations. Across the southeast and Florida, high pressure and dry air support widespread VFR, but the air mass is notably colder than seasonal norms. A tight pressure gradient between the Arctic high and offshore troughing maintains brisk northerly to northwesterly winds, particularly across Florida and the coastal Carolinas. While ceilings remain generally VFR, these winds increase crosswind considerations at coastal airports and contribute to hazardous marine conditions offshore. Central and northern Florida experience near-freezing temperatures inland, introducing frost concerns for overnight ground equipment and early morning departures. In the southern plains and Gulf Coast, dry post-frontal conditions prevail with cold temperatures extending deep into Texas and Louisiana. While skies remain mostly clear, cold air advection and low humidity contribute to operational cold weather considerations, including frost and cold soak issues. The Western Rockies remain comparatively quiet today under weaker forcing, with no major storm systems impacting operations. Most terminals remain VFR, though localized mountain wave turbulence persists near the Rockies due to strong flow aloft. And colder air supports occasional light chop on descent into high-elevation airports. No widespread ceiling or visibility issues are expected. Overall, today's primary operational challenges remain snow, wind, and cold across northern hubs, with secondary impacts from gusty winds and unseasonable cold farther south. Expect continued desync demand, variable visibility in snow belts, and slower ground operations where Arctic air remains firmly in place.